Is your Adora dishwasher not draining? You're not alone. Drainage problems are one of the most common issues homeowners face with their dishwashers. Understanding your dishwasher's drainage system is the first step to solving these problems. Let's explore the key components that work together to remove water from your dishwasher. The drain pump is the heart of the system. It actively removes water from the dishwasher tub during drain cycles, pushing wastewater through the drainage system. The drain hose carries wastewater from your dishwasher to either your garbage disposal or directly to the drain. Proper installation and positioning of this hose is crucial for effective drainage. If your dishwasher connects to a garbage disposal, this connection point is critical. The disposal must be properly installed and functioning to allow proper drainage from your dishwasher. Now let's look at the filter assembly and drain valve. The filter prevents debris from reaching the pump, while the drain valve controls when water flows out of the dishwasher. Now that we understand the components, let's identify the common symptoms of drainage problems. Recognizing these early can help prevent more serious issues. The most obvious symptom is standing water in the bottom of your dishwasher tub after a cycle completes. This indicates that water is not being properly pumped out. You might also notice slow drainage during wash cycles, gurgling sounds during operation, or error codes specifically related to drainage issues appearing on your dishwasher's display. Another telltale sign is unpleasant odors coming from your dishwasher, which often result from stagnant water that hasn't drained properly. Good news for owners of newer Adora models. Dishwashers manufactured from 2023 to 2025 feature enhanced diagnostic systems that provide specific error codes for drainage issues, making troubleshooting much easier and more precise. Let's start troubleshooting your Adora dishwasher drainage problem. Safety first. We need to power down the dishwasher completely and turn off the water supply before beginning any work. Step 2 involves cleaning the filter assembly. Remove the bottom rack to access the cylindrical filter at the bottom of the dishwasher. Twist it counterclockwise to remove it, along with any lower filter components. Step 3 focuses on the drain hose. Locate the drain hose under your sink. It should connect to either your garbage disposal or drain pipe. Check for kinks, ensure proper slope, and verify it has a high loop configuration. Step 4 addresses garbage disposal connections. If your dishwasher drains through a garbage disposal, run the disposal first to clear any food debris. For new installations, ensure the knockout plug has been removed from the disposal. Step 5 involves checking the drain pump. Listen carefully during a drain cycle for proper pump motor operation. Look for visible debris around the pump housing and ensure the impeller moves freely. Finally, prevention is key to avoiding future drainage issues. Clean your filter monthly, load dishes properly without overloading, use quality detergent, and ensure hot water reaches the dishwasher before starting each cycle. Watch for warning signs like increased cycle times or unusual noises.